Hello everybody. Today I am going to tell you about 6-in-1 educational brain boosting kit, which is right in front of me. Now why do I call it 6-in-1? I will tell you that. There are a lot of things which you can learn just by this kit. Number one, I'll tell you what things are there. These are magnetic fishes with numbers. The rings associated with the numbers, which is for quantification. These wooden numbers, the shapes, planets, addition, multiplication, and there is a fishing rope, of course. So first of all, we can help them in fishing. That's the first step. Now when I say we can help them in fishing, so what is happening? Our eye and hand coordination is getting fixed by this. Number two, the child is able to learn numbers by all the three ways. Numbers by this. So the color are coordinated. So number one and number one, this is coordinated. Secondly, when I talk about, show me number 2 and show me how much comes in number 2. So even that is settled. So number 2 with 2 quantification. And ringing, of course, children superbly enjoy. Shape identification as well as the planet identification. Now, the beauty of this is it is color coordinated. Now, when I say fish, as well as number 1, as well as blue color, as well as circle, all are coordinated. Or for that matter, this is number 3. There are 3 beads in it. There is number 3, the square, the color is purple, so it is well coordinated. So these are a beauty of these things, and there are different variations you can do with this amazing kit. Now, first of all, when I talk about what do I learn? So I learn numbers, I learn quantification of numbers, I learn all the shapes, I learn all the colors and the planets and the satellites, and along with that, suppose if I say 2 plus 3, which is equal to 5. So I learned this kind of number operations as well. Or what all features are getting enhanced because of this? 1, memory. Second, eye-hand coordination. Third, fine motor skills, gross motor skills, creativity, curiosity, quantification, discovery skills. So there are immense things which can get activated just by this small kit, and this kit is appropriate for the age group of 2 to 4 years. So enjoy yourself, happy learning, take care.